Live from the CBS Broadcast Center in Los Angeles, this is CBS 2 News at 5 p.m.
LA's newest district attorney was sworn in today, and he's announced an aggressive agenda. George Gascón won the race against incumbent Jackie Lacey, who lost endorsements over her office not holding officers accountable in several questionable shootings.
That's right. Minutes after being sworn in, Gascón revealed how he would run his office. CBS 2's Jasmine Viel joins us now live with more on those changes. Jas?
So, Jeff, George Gascón is now officially LA County's 43rd District Attorney, and today he listed several changes he wanted to make after meeting with community leaders about their concerns. Gascón's swearing-in ceremony, as you just saw, it was virtual due to this pandemic, with the judge reading him the oath of office from her chambers. Now, Gascón grew up here in the LA area, working as a police officer for 30 years before becoming Assistant Chief of Operations. After becoming chief of police in Mesa, Arizona, Gascón was selected by then San Francisco Mayor Gavin Newsom to become chief of police there. Then the county DA. During his speech today, he mentioned how there became a sense of familiarity with the suspects that he had arrested. He said that he would realize he had arrested that person's father or uncle or other relative in the past.
To this day, those days continue to haunt me. How, with all the resources that we poured into arresting, prosecuting, and incarcerating, how do we fail multiple generations of the same families?
He said he then realized the changes that needed to be made had to be done by him and not wait for someone else to do it. So here is what Gascón is proposing for the LA County DA's office. He plans to end the practice of charging minors as adults. Victim services will be made available to the families of those shot and killed by law enforcement. Gascón no longer plans to add gang enhancements and criminal complaints. He is taking the death penalty, quote, off the table, and his prosecutors will no longer seek cash bail for misdemeanor or non-violent felony offenses. Also planning to review police use of force cases dating back to 2012. Gascón may have some fights within his own office over these changes, though. Many of the 1,200 prosecutors in the office, they were upset last month when Gascón met with members of Black Lives Matter before meeting with them. Some of his transition hires, they were outsiders like civil rights attorneys who specialize in reviewing the integrity of convictions. But Gascón has said that he was elected by the people and the community will have a seat at the table as he works to change the criminal justice system. Jeff?
Okay, Jasmine, thank you.